How to change widgets on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change widgets on iPhone. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change your widgets on iPhone, all you have to do is you can see my home screen widget and I also have lock screen widget. So in order to get with the home screen widget, in order to change it, just long press on that widget. You can select edit widget if you want to. So you can just tap on the edit widget button and you can simply choose any other settings for this widget. And if you'd like to remove it, just tap on the remove widget button. Now you can go ahead and add another widget to your home screen by long pressing and then tapping on the add button and selecting some other widgets that you might actually want to add over here. Now currently, if you also want to change the widget on your, let's say, lock screen, so you can see my current one widget over here, but if I want to add some other widget to it, first of all, unlock your iPhone and go to the option called settings. Open the app called settings and here you want to go to wallpaper. Once you go to wallpaper, you can see our current wallpaper and you can see our current lock screen. Now all you have to do is to tap on the customize button next to your lock screen and you can see our current widget. Just tap on this one. If you want to remove this widget, you can just tap on the minus icon next to that widget, and now you can tap on add widget and add some other widgets that you want to. So this is simply how you can actually change widgets, because you can see we can add as many widgets over here. And once I do so, just tap on done and tap on the done button at the top, and now if I go ahead and show you, you can see some kind of other widgets on my iPhone's home screen. That's all it takes to change widget on iPhone iOS 16. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.